A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing good. So welcome back to yet another session on this wonderful channel. And like I've said before, we will be continuing with our discussion on the best previous year's JEE Main questions which have come up from this particular chapter called as Ellipse. So Ellipse is a chapter which comes under coordinate geometry, and as I've said before guys, it is gonna be a bit important because they all have a lot of properties involved, isn't it? When you take conic sections, which constitute almost your 70-60% of your coordinate geometry, they have a lot of properties associated with them. So that is what you guys have to master, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So people, if you're all ready, and let's get started. But before we dive in, I would like to quickly introduce myself for all the lovely students who are present here. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach math at Vedantu. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and after that I've been into teaching, and here I am right now helping you guys reach that goal of yours from JEE Mains or JEE Advanced or whatever that is you have in mind. Okay, now coming to my background, what I did when I was young, when I was like you guys, I also wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains, and I cleared both of them. So if you guys want to let me know, if you have any doubts, you want to ask me your questions, you can follow me on Instagram. So I'm quite active there. So whenever you have a doubt, just message me and I will help you. Okay. Yes. No problem, Pramesh. Welcome, man. Hello, Harsha. Very good evening. Welcome. Great to see you here. Anvesha, welcome. Great to see you guys. Now, before we get into the topic, I want to show you the schedule for this week. Yesterday we did 3D geometry. I'm sure you must have enjoyed it. It was very interesting collection of questions. So today I will be covering ellipse, and tomorrow it will be hyperbola. Okay. So that is the plan I have for you guys. So in case you want to know ellipse and hyperbola better, please do attend today's and tomorrow's sessions completely. Hello Vijay Krishna, welcome. Hi Rajashri Jairaj, welcome. So Rajashri, I am from Chennai. I get that a lot, but I am basically from Chennai. I speak Tamil. Okay. So no problem Pramesh, welcome man. That's okay. But try to focus on the session. You can ask your doubts at the end. That is what I would prefer. Okay. And on Thursday guys, we have the marathon. And marathon means it will be a longer session for 2 hours. And this Thursday, I'm going to do one short revision of statistics. Why statistics? Because statistics and mathematical reasoning are two easy chapters from which you will get one question each. You will get one question in your JEE Mains from statistics, one question in your JEE Mains from mathematical reasoning. So in case you want to get those 8 marks, then please don't fail to attend the session on Thursday, because it is going to be lit. It is going to be very important. Don't forget, mark your calendars and be free at Thursday 4 p.m. Hello Anisha, welcome. Very good afternoon. Hi Jagadish, after a long time I'm seeing you, man. Very good evening, welcome back. So people, in case you're new to this channel, in case you're seeing me for the very first time, and if you want to be a part of this wonderful journey, then do subscribe to our channel and do like the videos in case you enjoy them. Great. Wish you the same, Anisha. Great guys. I'm sure it is going to be an auspicious occasion for you today. So it is a very good day to study. So let's get started. Yes, Pramesh, we have that on coming Saturday. We have marathon mock test. Okay. So I'm gonna do it along with Wasim sir, Shreyas sir and myself. All 3 of us are gonna be together. So wait for it. It is on Saturday. Thank you Chef Dub. I hope you liked it. Awesome. Great. So people, are you all ready for some more exciting questions? So today's questions are also very interesting. And again, like I said, it is to increase your confidence level, because the questions which I'm going to do right now, you will understand that they are so easy to solve. And at the end of today's class, you will ask me, sir, are they from JEE Mains? Seriously? Because I've been thinking JEE Mains questions are so difficult. Guys, you will say that, I'm very sure, because Ellipse in JEE Mains is pretty simple and I'm going to show that to you. So are you ready, people, to make some notes? I want a lot of energy and excitement from you guys because it is going to be a very short session. It is just 1 hour. So let's try to maintain our energy, excitement and be very interactive. Okay, I want you to be very responsive. Whatever doubts you feel like, let me know, because I love the doubts of students and I love to clear them. So please don't hesitate. Okay. Okay, Jagadish, no problem, man. So here we go. The first question for you guys right on your screen, and as you guys can see, it is from JEE Mains 2020. Very recent year paper, last year, and I'm going to teach you how to solve it. So it covers the basics of ellipse and hyperbola, which are nothing but conic sections. So in case you guys are thorough with your NCERT, sir, I have solved NCERT 11th standard conics properly, sir. I know the basics. Can I do this question? Yes. Yes, my dear student, you can. Just with the basics of NCERT, you will be able to solve this question. Only thing is you need to be systematic in your solving. You need to be very careful and have a good understanding of trigonometry. That's it. That will help you to score this 4 mark from this question. So let's get started. Pramesh, again you have started doing the same thing. Try to keep it to the end, Pramesh. See, you said sorry and you asked 4 times again same question. So try to control. Focus on the question. Got it? Yes, Aditya, we will do it, don't worry. So first I want to cover one shot of mathematical reasoning and your statistics, because those two are very easy to score and you will get 4 marks from each of them. So that is why I did that first. Don't worry, we will do trigonometry also. At least I will revise all the formulas of trigonometry. Hi Satvik, welcome, man. So people, have you all done it? Let me help you. What is eccentricity of hyperbola? First of all, let me write it properly. The hyperbola equation is x square by 10 minus, my dear students, it is nothing but y square by 10 cos theta. Do you all agree? Y square by 10 cos theta or cos square theta is equal to 1. Everybody cool with it? Are you all able to understand? Yes? So now I want you guys to tell me what is eccentricity of hyperbola. It is nothing but square root of 1 plus b square by a square. Everybody knows that. B square by a square. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled. So I'll have root of 1 plus cos square theta. I'm sure everybody has got it. So that is how you find out the eccentricity of hyperbola. Very simple NCERT based formula. Nothing great. Nothing great over here. Brilliant, Kishore. I'm sure you guys will also be confident because that is required, Kishore. Whenever you want to conquer something, you have to be confident that you will rise above it. You have to be confident in yourself that you will overcome it. So that is important, and I'm sure you guys will do it because you're all smart and you are all hardworking. So it will reward you in the end. Got it? So now people, let's do the same thing for ellipse. So I have ellipse is what? X square by 5 cos square theta plus y square by 5 equal to 1. So for hyperbola, please remember, whenever you have a hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square, always the eccentricity is 1 plus b square by a square under root. Always, no matter what is great, 10 is greater, 10 cos square theta is greater, I don't care. Whatever is greater, I don't mind. The formula still remains the same. What is that? 1 plus b square by a square. So that is for hyperbola. But for ellipse, the eccentricity formula will change. It will change depending on which is greater. Now, which is greater? Can you all tell me? Do you all agree 5 is greater? Do you all agree that 5 is greater? Yes, everybody. I'm sure everybody is understanding that because cos square theta will always be lesser than 1. Why less than 1? Because it is from 0 to pi by 2. So cos square theta is always less than 1. So phi cos square theta will always be lesser than phi. So therefore, eccentricity will be 1 minus a square by b square. Usually what will we write? Usually we will write b square by a square. But now you have to write a square by b square. Exactly, Pramesh. Very good. So what is the eccentricity of ellipse? Do you all agree it is 1 minus phi cos square theta by phi, which will be cos square theta. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So under root of sin square theta is sin theta. So this is the eccentricity of ellipse and this is the eccentricity of hyperbola. So both of which I have it ready in my hand. Now use the relation which they have given. What did they say? They said that eccentricity of the hyperbola is root phi times eccentricity of ellipse. So square on both sides. Eccentricity of hyperbola whole square is phi times eccentricity of ellipse whole square. So it is going to be 1 plus cos square theta is equal to phi sin square theta. So from here I will get the value of cos square theta. Can you guys tell me? What will be cos square theta? Everybody? What will be cos square theta? It will be 2 by 3. Did you all get that? So cos square theta is 2 by 3 and that is what I have obtained from the solving over here. Till here, did everybody understand? Hello, Muthaya Balasubramaniam. Welcome, man. Yes, Ramalingam Kishore. I hope you are following. Yes, Saurav. I know today is a very auspicious day. So let's make the best use of it by learning something useful. No, Saurav, I did not do Ellipse previous year's questions. It was rescheduled. So I hope you guys are clear. So now what do I have? I have cos square theta is equal to 2 by 3. Now what do we want to find out? We want to find out lattice rectum of the ellipse. What is lattice rectum for this ellipse? X square by phi cos square theta plus y square by phi is equal to 1. What is lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is equal to b square by a is the usual one. Jagadish, you are wrong. Because here in this ellipse, it will be a square by b. Because it is a vertically elongated ellipse, Jagadish. So you have to be careful. Got it? So it's going to be how much? 2 into phi cos square theta divided by, what is b? b is root phi. So the answer is 2 into phi into cos square theta is 2 by 3 divided by root phi. So that, my friends, will be your answer. I think 4 root phi by 3, if I'm not wrong. Did you all understand it? Everybody cool with it? So was it interesting? Was it doable just by knowing the basics? That is what JEE Mains will test you. It will test you on your basics, but will make sure that you are overcoming the twist in the question. What is the twist? Everybody is so used to what? We are all so used to the conventional form, where eccentricity is 1 minus b square by a square under root. But you should know that that is only when b is lesser than a. But here our b is greater than a, so I have to be careful. Got it? Brilliant, guys. You guys are awesome. Now with that, let us move forward to the next question that I have for you. Right on your screen, everybody please try to solve it. Come on, guys. I want all of you to try it out. You are given the directrix of an ellipse whose center is at the origin and the eccentricity is 1 by 2. Now P is given to be a point 1 comma beta and you need to find out the equation of normal at P. You need to find out the equation of normal at P. This is the question which is asked. Please try to cover it, guys. Come on, everybody should try it and I'm sure you will be surprised. And I have a brilliant news for you. I have a great surprise, okay? And it is not about courses, okay? Don't worry. Whenever I say surprise, people think, sir, is there any new course coming up in Vedantu? No, no, no. It is not a course. I'm going to show you something very interesting, something I observed when I was preparing this for you. Okay, so Jagadish already replied, test series. No, no, it is not that, guys. I want to show you some observation. So please wait for it and have a look at it. Chef Dub is already answered and he has got it correct. Very good. That's absolutely right. So what is directrix? X equal to 4, na? And the center is at origin. So can I say the ellipse will be a horizontally elongated one? Can I say the ellipse will be horizontally elongated one? So what is directrix? Directrix is nothing but x equal to a by e. So directrix is nothing but x equal to a by e, and that is equal to 4. So what is a? A is equal to 4e, and I know e is equal to half. So a is equal to 2. Why e is equal to half? Because it is given in the question. Are you all clear with that? So I got what is a. Now I have to find what is e. E is already given. So can I use these two information to get what is b? What is b square? Can I get b square? Everybody. So it is going to be what? A square into 1 minus e square. Are you all cool with it? So it is going to be a square is 4 into 1 minus e square will be what? 1 minus 1 by 4. So it is going to be 3. So b square is equal to 3. So what is the equation of ellipse? The equation of ellipse is x square by 4 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. Did you all understand that? Did you all understand that? So first, using directrix and eccentricity, I found out what is a. After I found out what is a, I found out what is my b. B is nothing but root of a square into 1 minus e square. And I want b square, so I just keep it like that. So b square will come out to be 3. So I got my a square, I got my b square. I can write the equation of my ellipse. Very simple. So that is the equation of my ellipse. What is that? X square by 4 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. This is the first step. You need to get the equation. You need to get the equation. Now we know that p is 1 comma b. 1 comma beta, right? So let's substitute 1 because it lies on the ellipse, right? If it lies on the ellipse, this should satisfy the equation of ellipse. So I can say 1 square by 4 plus beta square by 3 equal to 1. So can I say beta square is equal to 9 by 4? So what will be beta? Beta will be equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. But please understand, beta is positive. So it cannot be minus 3 by 2. So beta is equal to 3 by 2. Did you all understand till here? This is the second step of the question. Jagadish, point P, x coordinate is already given now. Why do you want to use that? And how do you know it is the directrix? How do you know it is passing through the focus? Because only if it is a lattice rectum passing through the focus, the x coordinate will be AE, right? So how do you know that? That is not given to us, na? So Albert Einstein, we are in question number 2, I guess. Okay, this is question number 2. We just started off a few minutes back. Got it? So people, please let me know if you have understood it till here. Hello Vignesh, welcome man. Amir, very warm welcome Amir. Great to see you here. So I hope you guys are clear. I have got my point P. Jagadish, if you have any doubt, let me know. So point P is what? 1 comma 3 by 2. So what is the normal at a point P on the ellipse? Normal at a point is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, that is the equation of normal. So a square is 4, so it will be 4x by 1 minus b square, which is 3y by y1, which is 3 by 2, is equal to a square minus b square, which will be 4 minus 3. So what is the equation? This and this will get cancelled out. So I'll have 4x minus 2y is equal to 1, and that is nothing but option B. I hope you liked it, my dear students. Everybody clear? Hello Siddhant Sridhar, welcome man. Megatronics, welcome, great to see you. Perfect, very good guys. So you see, one question had 3 simple steps to go ahead. 3 simple steps we jumped and we went on to get the answer. That is how you need to work. That is how you proceed. Break it information after information. That is the best way to go ahead. Okay. Hello Varsha, welcome. I hope you guys are doing good. Brilliant Albert Einstein. Achu, that's awesome man. Keep it up. And I hope you reach even more than that in your JEE Mains and score what you want. Okay. So keep working hard. Your hard work has paid you. That is how I see it. So continue to do that and let's see how well you do. Let me know. I'm doing great, Amir. So guys, if you're all clear, can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat quickly? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat quickly so that I can move forward? But if anybody has a doubt, let me know so that I can help you with it. All good? Yup. Amazing. Brilliant people. So let us go ahead to the next question, which is right on your screen over here. Now everybody will be like, sir, are you kidding me? You are giving the same question again? You are giving me the same question again? This is the interesting observation I told. What is this? This is a JEE Mains 2017 question. This is a JEE Mains 2017 question. The same question that we did earlier. The same question that we did earlier. This is 2020. So, do JEE Mains questions repeat? Yes, at times they do. Okay, at times they do repeat. It is the exact same question. It is just given in a different way. It is just given in a different way. This is 2020. This is 2017. Okay, so it is good that you're doing these previous year's questions, because guys, previous year's questions will give you an idea as to how they ask questions and what kind of questions come again and again and again. So that is why this is important. Okay, so now Achyut is calculating. After 3 years it's repeating. So 2021 means, sir, 2018 paper I'll solve and go. But don't think like that, guys. Come on. It won't work like that. Which IIT offers robotics engineering? So King, what you need to do is you need to do mechanical engineering or electrical engineering. That's how people do. Your bachelor degree itself, you cannot do robotics. That is not a good idea. I would recommend you to do either electrical or mechanical, and then your master's degree, maybe you can specialize. Okay, so don't do robotics as a full-time course, because the job offers are very less. People like it because they see some advertisements, they see something cool happening on TV, and then you get excited about it. But guys, please, you have to be wise. You have to consult with someone who knows this field properly. So robotics, like I said, undergraduate is not a good idea. Instead, do mechanical or electrical. Then higher studies you do on robotics. That is a better way of handling it. Because just undergraduate, getting a good job is very difficult in robotics. Okay, so this is my interesting observation which I want to share. So here we go. The next question for you all right on your screen. Please do it. Yes, Mamudi Gurunathan, I will share it, man, definitely. Hi John Kiran, welcome, man. So nice to see you. Absolutely yes, Anisha, that's correct. You're absolutely right. But that is because I gave that question, Anisha, because I wanted to show even in JEE Mains questions will repeat. Sometimes, not always, but yeah, they do repeat. Hyperbola questions are less in mains, right? Yes, Achyut, usually it is less, or they mix it with other chapters. Okay, it is usually mixed with ellipse, or it is usually mixed with some other conic section. Yes, mechatronics, I would say go for electrical. Electrical is a good branch if you are looking for robotics, if you are looking for mechatronics, because basically everything comes from electrical engineering. Okay, all these robotics and all that. So if your basics of electrical is not good, then you have to rely on someone. You have to find a good teammate. You have to find someone who can do that work for you. So why do that when you can do it yourself? So that is why gather understanding of electricals, gather understanding of mechanical, and then you do it, then it's better. So that is why undergraduate, don't directly jump into mechatronics, don't directly jump into robotics. Okay. So Harsha is right. Pramesh, you have to check it, because option D is correct. Option D is absolutely right. Shakti, very good Shakti, because that's absolutely correct. Good job. And Anisha, very good Anisha, that's perfect. Now let me show you how it is done. So first of all, guys, what is this ellipse? This ellipse is x square by 5 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So I know my A is greater than B, so it will be a horizontally elongated ellipse. Whenever my A is greater than B, it will be a horizontally elongated ellipse. Hello Kavya, welcome Kavya, I hope you are doing good. Now, what are the points? This is minus root 5 comma 0, and this will be plus root 5 comma 0, and this will be 0 comma 2, and this will be 0 comma minus 2. Now, where is this point Q? This point Q is over here. So this point Q is over here, 0 comma minus 4. So what is the farthest point? The farthest point is this distance. The farthest point is this distance. I hope everybody got it. So what is the distance length? So it is going to be 4 plus 2. So 6 is the length. So 6 square is my answer because they asked PQ square. So P is the point on this ellipse which is at the farthest distance from here. So that will be equal to 36. Now some of you might be asking, sir, how do you know for sure that this is the farthest point, sir? Why can't it be like this? Okay, why can't it be like this? This can also be farthest, no, sir. How can you correctly tell? Is it obvious? No, guys, you are right. No, guys, you are right. You are right. If you ask this question, that means you are smart. Okay, because it is not very obvious. So in general, what you have to do is, since the ellipse is x square by 5 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1, what can be done over here? You can say that any general point can be given as a cos theta, comma b sin theta. And q is what? Q is 0, comma minus 4. Now I'll apply distance formula. What is PQ square? PQ square is equal to 5 cos square theta plus 16 plus 4 sin square theta. Then you'll have what? Plus or minus? Plus only, right? Plus 8 into 2, 16. So it will be 16 sin theta. So that is what you have to maximize. I hope you guys are clear. So that will be how much? That will be 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus cos square theta plus 16 sin theta. So this you have to maximize, that you guys can do it. Try to complete it, yeah. Exactly. So again you can write cos theta as sin theta, so you'll get 21 plus 16 sin theta minus sin square theta. So this you have to maximize. Okay, because you want the farthest distance. So that you can differentiate and do it. Okay. So this is how you guys will do it, but it is equally easy to observe and do it because this will take a lot of time. Okay. You need to complete the square or you need to differentiate it and get the answer, for which it will be maxima and for which it will be minima. Got it? But here we are looking at farthest point, so we want only maxima. So differentiate, equate it to 0 and check where it will be having a maxima. Is that clear? Everybody? I will show you how it is done. And Rajat, we will start off, Rajat, once JEE Mains is over. Okay, we will start off with that, don't worry. Because I know 11th standard students have been waiting for a long time. Definitely we will not let you down. Thank you, John. That is so sweet of you, man. How much time maximum? See, Chef Dub, what I usually do is, when I was a student, I used to spend 40 minutes on chemistry, 1 hour on physics, 1 hour on maths. So the 20 minutes I save from here, na? That I invest either in physics or in maths, whichever is difficult. So the difficult subject on that day will take 1 hour 20 minutes. Chemistry will always take 40 minutes. And the easy subject will, the moderate subject will take 1 hour. So this is how you do it. This is how you do it. So easiest subject will take 40, which is chemistry always. And moderate will take 1, which can be maths or physics depending on the difficulty of the paper. The toughest subject on that day, because on that day nobody knows. I don't know which will be tough for you, which will be easy for you. So the toughest subject will take 1 hour 20 minutes. This is for a good student who has prepared everything. So if you are someone who didn't prepare anything, if you are just going with few topics in your hand, then what you can do is you can just pick questions and solve. You can just pick questions and solve. Pick some questions which you feel is easy, doable, pick those and solve. If you are not prepared. But if you are prepared, what I said you will work perfectly. So guys, this is what they have done. So exactly what I showed you. So I'm sure I got this expression, right? So they are completing the square and they are solving it. So if you complete the square and if you solve it, you will get the answer to be 36. But this is by solving using parametric form. This is the right approach. But luckily for what we did using geometry, that also works. So whichever method is easy for you, you can go ahead with it. But I would say this is a safer method. Okay, so I did till this step. If you remember, I did till this step. You just have to complete the square and complete it and you will get the answer. Do you guys have any doubt here? Does anyone have a problem with this method? See, since we are having maxima, right? So it will be maximum when this is minimum, when I am subtracting minimum. So when will this be minimum? This will be minimum when sine theta is 1. Sine theta, if it is 1, it will be 1 minus 8, which will be minus 7. Minus 7 whole square is 49. That's why they are subtracting 49 from 85, which will give you 36. Got it? Cool. So with that, people, before we proceed to the next question, I want to talk about the crash course for Vedantu. And for all those students who are preparing for JEE Mains, if you are feeling, sir, if I have help from teachers like you, teachers like Shreyas sir, Wasim sir, Arvind Kalia sir, if I have such great teachers helping me, I'm sure I can improve my level. So if you feel like that, please do check out this course because we are all there. We'll be teaching you guys until your May attempt, your last attempt in May. Till that time, we will help you out to our fullest potential. And in case you guys are wanting to know what is the price, what are the features, let me quickly run through it. You have totally 45 live lectures in which we will cover all the important topics for JEE Mains to get a score of 150 to 100. That is a reasonable target and I'm sure everybody who is smart and who is hardworking can achieve that. Then you have unlimited doubt solving because we have a doubts app. In that doubts app, you can ask whatever questions you want and you will get answer within 5 minutes. Next, you have full test and part test. This is what I like the most because whenever you're writing an all India exam, you need to know where you stand. You need to know what rank you're getting beforehand because suddenly if you go and give an exam and if you get a rank of 1 lakh or 2 lakh, you will be heartbroken. Because in your school, you might have been number 1. You might have been rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. But on an all India level, you might be in 1 lakh or 2 lakh. Who knows? So suddenly that shock will be very hard to take. So better take a mock test, which is there in your Vedantu's crash course together. So the entire price is 8,000 for a period of 4 months, February, March, April, May. And this is the coupon code which you have to use. I have given you the link on top of the chat. So click on that link, use my coupon code and you will get a price of 8,000 rupees. Got it? Exactly, Albert Einstein. That's very important. Yes, Albert Einstein. I'll keep that in mind. I'll try to do it probably before you write your JEE Mains. Okay. So guys, the next surprise for you is the Eklavya batch. Because we at Vedantu will not stop helping you guys just at JEE Mains. Because like I said, Vedantu is all out to reach every corner of this country, help everybody improve, not just to the mains level, but also to the advanced level. So that is why Anand sir. So here we have Anand sir. Anand sir is the co-founder of Vedantu and he is an expert in producing toppers. He has produced so many top ranks and people from different parts of the country come to take his guidance. So the good news is he is going to mentor you guys also. So that is awesome, isn't it? So you guys can also be a part of this Eklavya batch which trains toppers for advance. So we will prepare you guys for JEE Advanced. We will help you guys to score top ranks for free. But the only thing is you need to qualify for Eklavya batch and I think you must be knowing the cutoff, right? So if you score 96 percentile and above, you are eligible to apply. So we have Eklavya batch is starting on 8th March, 19th March, 1st May, 29th May. So we have so many batches of Eklavya just to help you guys clear your JEE Advanced and get a rank into IIT. Okay. Very good, very good. That is good. That is good, chefed up. I think it is out of 300, right? Is it out of 300 or is it 360? It is out of 360, is it? Okay. Yeah. Got it. NIT Trichy Computer Science, I'm doubtful, but you will get NIT Trichy Electrical. Computer Science, to be on the safer side, you need to score around 250 plus out of 360 and 220 plus out of 300. Okay. So these are the batch dates for Eklavya, and I will give the link in the description of this video. So you can click on that link, submit your details so that we can reach out to you and we will train you for advanced. Guys, this is free of cost. This is free, okay? That's why we have a benchmark. We have a cutoff percentile. Okay? So you should score around 96 percentile. So you have 70 live sessions, 3000 plus advanced level questions. All of them were prepared by Anand Sir and his team. Wonderful they are, guys, because I have seen it. I have taught Eklavya batches and I know the level up to which we go. We go to insane level. We prepare you for the worst paper also. Okay. So it is a very exciting time and I love teaching Eklavya batches because it's so amazing. Students are so excited and enthusiastic. You guys have to check it out. So to get into Eklavya batch, maybe the crash course can help. So right now you might be in 85 percentile. You might be in 90 percentile. You just have to increase by 6 percentile. You have to get 96 percentile, and that can be done with the help of crash course, which I told you, it is there in the chat. You can click on it, check out the crash course. Maybe that can help you to join the Eklavya batch, which is free of cost. Okay. So that's about it. Let's come back, people. Let's try to get on with our stuff over here. Everybody please try to solve it. Is everybody clear? I hope all of you got the news. We have a wonderful crash course going on. We have a wonderful Eklavya batch about to start. And also for those who want test series alone, that also is provided in the description. Okay. So the test series alone is there and I have given it in the description. You guys can check it and apply the same coupon code SJCC. So test series is for those people who feel like, sir, I don't want anybody to teach me, sir. I am ready, I know it. I want to write only test. I want to know where I stand. I want to know my All India rank. I want to know my analysis of paper. Will I get that? Yes, you are perfect for the test series. You can go for it. It is just 2000 rupees. Link is in the description. Okay, check it out. So people, yes, very good Shakti, very good Ashish, very good Chef Dub, Harsha, you guys are absolutely correct because the answer for this question, my dear students, is in fact option A. Because what do I have here? So here I have a ellipse which is x square by 16, yeah, plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So can I say A is nothing but 4, 0 and this will be nothing but minus 4, 0 and this will be nothing but 0, 3 and this will be nothing but 0, minus 3. Okay, so what is your focus? Your focus is plus or minus AE, 0. So what is AE, 0? It is 4 into E will be root of 1 minus B square by A square. So that will be root 7. So your focus will be plus or minus root 7, 0. So this will be minus root 7, 0 and this will be plus root 7, 0. So that will be your points A and B. So what are A and B? A and B are nothing but the foci. A and B are nothing but the foci. Everybody is clear with that? Very good, Yashwant. I am so happy that you said it. It is so encouraging for teachers when students are getting confident. Brilliant, people. Now we have any point P on the ellipse. So let us say P is any point on the ellipse. So I will take it here. Now PA plus PB. So guys, this is what we call as the alternative definition of an ellipse. What is the alternative definition of an ellipse? Ellipse is a conic section such a way that the distance of a point on it from the foci, if I add it up, it will always be a constant 2a. I'm sure everybody knows that. PS1 plus PS2 is equal to 2a is the alternative definition for an ellipse. So what is PA plus PB? PA plus PB is equal to 2a because A and B are nothing but the foci. So what is A? A is 4, na? So 2 into 4 will be equal to 8. So that is my answer, my dear students. Did you all like it? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Very good, Anisha. Pramesh is also right. Brilliant job. You guys are absolutely correct. Good job. So people, shall I move forward to the next one? Yes? Everybody cool with it? If anybody has a doubt, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead. Okay, people, let's go to the next question, which is right over here. Everybody, please try to solve it. This is again a very conceptual question, and I want everybody to try it out with your full effort. This is based on a property. This is based on a property. So I will write it down. I will write down the property. Perpendicular drawn to any tangent foot of perpendicular drawn to any tangent from the focus will lie on the auxiliary circle. So this is the property. You have to use this property. So what is auxiliary circle? Auxiliary circle is a circle which is drawn with the major axis as diameter. So this is your auxiliary circle. So if you have a tangent, and let's say this is a tangent, this is a focus, if I drop a perpendicular, then it will lie on the auxiliary circle. That's what they mean. Got it? So auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So I'll get x square plus y square is equal to a square is what? A square is 4. So that is my auxiliary circle, and I know the point will lie on this auxiliary circle. So which of the options will satisfy this auxiliary circle? Only option D will satisfy. So that is why answer is option D. Because only there -1 square plus √3 square will be equal to 1 plus 3, which will be equal to 4. Are you guys clear with it? So that is how you do it. I hope you guys are fine with it. In case you have any doubts or any questions that you want to ask, please go for it. Otherwise, we will proceed to the next one. All good, people? Everybody? Okay, perfect. Very good, Anisha, Pramesh, Harsha, Shakti. You guys are all absolutely correct. Good job. So here we go to the next question right on your screen. Everybody should try it and everybody should get it correct. Let's see. Kunal, figure out what mistakes you are making, Kunal. So from your mock test, right, analyze where you're losing marks and check whether it is conceptual mistake or whether you don't know that chapter, because only if you figure out your weak areas you can try to improve. And try to avoid calculation mistake and errors in the question. All that you need to avoid. So only if you analyze your test paper, you will be able to grow. Got it? So please do that first. And maybe you can reach out to me. You can message me in Instagram about what mistakes you have done. I will try and help you to understand what to do. Okay? Don't worry, Kunal, you will do well. Okay? You will definitely do well because 150 itself is a great score, and I'm sure with the right hard work and smart work combined in the last 1-2 weeks, you can push it to above 180. Okay, so first verify what are the errors you're doing. That you do and let me know. Okay, so people, what is the lattice rectum? You have to find the lattice rectum of an ellipse. The distance between foci is what? 2AE. That is equal to 6. And distance between directrix, which is 2A by E, is equal to 12. So multiply both. You will get what? 4A square is equal to 72. So A square is equal to 18. So this is your A square. So it's going to be x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. So B square I need to find out. So how do I find out B square? Everybody? So we know that I can divide these two equations. If I divide these two equations, I'll get E to be 1 by 2 or E square to be 1 by 2. No? So dividing 1 and 2, I will get E square to be 1 by 2. So what is B square? B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So it will be B square is equal to 18 into 1 minus 1 by 2, which will be B square is equal to 9. So that is my ellipse. B square is actually 9. So what is the lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is 2B square by A. So which will be what? I'm sorry, this is 18, right? Not 12. I'm sorry, this is 18. I think I wrote it 12. Yeah, so 2B square by A means 2 into 9 by root 18, which will be root 18. So lattice rectum is also root 18. So root 18 is nothing but 3 root 2. That's the answer. I hope everybody got it. Very good. Hello Tornado, welcome man. What happened? You're late. Very good Anisha. Anisha, that's absolutely right. Pramesh is also correct. Very good Pramesh. Tanka canal. I will repeat it. Yeah. So first, Tanka canal, what we have here is, we have distance between foci. Distance between foci is 2AE and that is equal to 6. And then what do we have? Distance between the directrices is 12. Distance between directrices is 2A by E. That is 12. So now I multiply those two equations. So 2AE into 2A by E will be 4A square. Because E and 1 by E will get cancelled. 6 into 12 is 72. So A square will be 12. That's the first piece of information I got. Okay? Are you able to understand? Now, next what I do is I divide both of them. So if I divide this by this, 2A and 2A will get cancelled. E by 1 by E will become E square. And right hand side, 6 by 12 will become half. So I'll have E square equal to 1 by 2. So from that I can get what is B square. Because for an ellipse, B square is given as A square into 1 minus E square. For an ellipse, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. When I do that, I'll get B square also. So after I get A square and B square, the question is done. Because lattice rectum is 2B square by A. Understood? Is that clear to everybody? All of you got it? Yep. Very good. So with that, we'll go to one last question, which I want everybody to do. And guys, by now, what do you see? Are you guys able to visualize? Are you guys able to realize that the questions of ellipse are not that difficult? I hope you guys understood. They are not that difficult. It is doable. Only thing is you guys have to be confident. You guys have to be good with the basics of it. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so we want to find the normal at the end of a lattice rectum. So lattice rectum means what? It is a line perpendicular to the axis passing through the foci. So this point will be, let's say this point is what we want. It is AE comma B square by A. That is your lattice rectum. Now I want to find the normal of it such a way that it passes through extremity of the minor axis. So it passes through 0 comma minus B. So let's write the normal equation. Normal equation is what? A square x by x1 minus B square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so I'll have what? Ax by e minus b square will cancel. Ay is equal to a square minus b square. Now I know it passes through 0 comma minus b, so let's substitute 0 over here. If I substitute 0, this will go off. If I substitute minus b, I will get ab is equal to, I'll get a square minus b square. Is that clear, guys? Are you all okay with it? Are you all okay with it? Yes. So I will get AB is equal to a square into 1 minus b square by a square. So I'll get AB is equal to a square e square. So now let's bring a square down. So you'll get b by a is equal to e square. So let's square it. I'll get b square by a square is equal to e power 4. What is b square by a square? It is nothing but 1 minus e square. That is equal to e power 4. So that's the answer. So I think D is correct, no? I think D is correct. Yeah, Anisha is right. Nitika Gupta. Yes, Nitika, you are absolutely right. Chef Dub is right. Vignesh Gupta, hello man. How you know it is a standard ellipse? Because for any ellipse, lattice rectum, extremity, minor axis will be the same, na? So I like to take it as a standard ellipse because they didn't specify anything. They just gave a standard random ellipse. So I can bring this one, no problem. Did you understand it, Tejesh? So because they didn't specify anything, I can do it in any way I want, and I prefer to do it by the standard ellipse because that is the easiest approach. Hi Manoj Prabhakar, Shivam TV, very good Shivam, that's right. Understood, Tejesh? I hope you got it. So guys, with that, we are concluding our question discussion. In case you guys have any doubts that you want to ask, please let me know. Equation of normal is given, Tejesh. So whenever you have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, the equation of normal is given by a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. This is equation of normal at a point x1 comma y1 on the ellipse. Did you understand it, Tejesh? So I use that. Yes, Harsha, all that has to be done within this week. So I will try to schedule it, Harsha. That is awesome, Chef Dub. So I hope you guys now are finding ellipse easy. So if you have anything to talk, you can let me know. And I have given you some homework questions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 questions as homework, and I have also 6 questions as homework, and I've given you the answer key as well. So try to solve it. If you have any doubt, comment it down below, tag me so that I'll come and help you. Yes Tejesh, you are absolutely right. So guys, in case you want to have last minute revision, last minute coverage of all the important topics, please do check out the crash course offered by Vedantu because it is for a price of 8,000 rupees for next 4 months. February, March, April, May, all 3 subjects, math, physics, chemistry, along with test series, along with assignments, along with chapter notes. All of it for a price of 8,000 if you use this coupon code. Okay? So check it. In case you are interested, do join it because it can be a game-changing event in your life. Okay? So people, what next? Any doubts you have, anything you want to talk or ask me, let me know. I will talk to you guys for some time. Yes, Harsha. LCD maybe after the first attempt only, man, because we don't have time. So this is the Eklavya batch. I'm sure everybody knows Anand Sir. I told you in the middle of the session. So Anand Sir is our co-founder and he is an expert in producing toppers. So this batch is free of cost, totally free. But you have to get 96th percentile in your JEE Mains. So once your JEE Mains results are out, we will form the batches and you have to submit your details in case you want to join. Okay? And that's about it, people. This is the Telegram group. Don't forget to join this, because whatever announcements we make it over here only. And do like the video, subscribe to the channel in case you enjoyed it, of course, because we love you guys more than anyone, more than anything. So definitely show us some love, spread the video, share it to your friends. If anybody will benefit, do let them know. Okay. Okay, Harsha is preparing for March attempt. Yes, we will help you, Harsha, don't worry. By then I will pakka do LCD one shot. Vignesh is saying, sir, please do vectors one shot. Yes, Vignesh, vectors one shot, 3D one shot, LCD one shot, and trigonometry. These 4 things I will keep in mind, and I will pakka do it before you guys write your March attempt. See, February attempt is just 1 week away. I can't guarantee you because I already have few things in mind. Okay, but by March attempt, pakka I will teach you. Don't worry. That guarantee I will give. Because I don't want to just say something and fool you guys. I won't do that. I will pakka do it, but only by March. Shakti, I told you that if you want to get better at problem solving, you need to solve a number of questions. Start from the basics and slowly take it up higher. Okay. So you can start from easy questions, Shakti, like start NCERT, go to Cengage, then go to previous year's questions. That is how you develop that skill of applying what you know. Okay, I get your question, man. You're saying this for a long time. Like, you know a lot of things, but you're not able to apply it. That's because whenever you learn Shakti, you should have applied it then and there. So if you learn a concept, you should have done some 4 or 5 questions on that. So that is when it is evenly growing, right? So that mistake you did. So try to overcome it. You have time. So utilize your time. Try to build your application by solving questions based on what you know. Hi Vishwajit, welcome man. All the very best, Chef Dub. So guys, with that we will conclude. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. Do let me know in the comments. Do subscribe and give a like to us. And we will meet again tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and every day for the next 1-2 years. Okay. So all the very best. Do well in life and always stay safe, be happy, and keep working hard. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you in the next one.